Begin your journey in the heart of Switzerland, the majestic Alpine mountains. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of the Alpine mountains, where the very air you breathe seems imbued with an otherworldly charm. These towering giants, cloaked in a pristine white blanket of snow, stand as silent sentinels against the sky, their peaks piercing the clouds. They are a testament to the unyielding power of nature, a spectacle that leaves one in awe of their beauty and scale. Delve into the world of the Alps, a place where time seems to stand still and the hustle and bustle of the everyday world fades away. Here, every turn, every bend presents a new vista, a fresh perspective. The mountains are a canvas painted with the vibrant hues of nature, from the lush green of the valleys to the striking white of the snow-capped peaks. The Alpine mountains are also home to some of the world's most famous hiking trails and trekking routes. Trails that wind their way through verdant meadows, along sparkling streams, and up to the highest summits. Every step takes you closer to nature, every breath fills you with a sense of tranquility. But what truly sets the Alpine mountains apart is the experiences they offer. As we explore these paths, we're accompanied by the narratives of those who know them best, the hikers, the local guides. Their stories bring the mountains to life, their experiences make these trails more than just scenic routes. They transform them into journeys of discovery, of self-reflection, of bonding with nature. The Alpine mountains are not just about the views, the trails, or the experiences. They are about the spirit of adventure, the thrill of exploration, the joy of discovery. They beckon to the adventurer within us all, inviting us to take that first step, to embark on that journey, to explore the unknown. So, let's answer the call of the mountains. Let's venture into the heart of Switzerland, into the realm of the Alpine mountains. Let's embark on a journey that promises to be as captivating as the mountains themselves. For, as we've come to realize, these mountains are not just a sight to behold, but a journey to experience. From the towering peaks descend into the tranquility of Switzerland's picturesque lakes. Switzerland, a country known for its pristine alpine beauty, is also home to some of the most serene and beautiful lakes in the world. These tranquil bodies of water, nestled amidst the Swiss Alps, provide an enchanting retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Each lake is a world unto itself, with its unique charm and personality. The sparkling blue waters of Lake Lucerne, for instance, reflect the surrounding snow-capped mountains like a perfect mirror. On the other hand, Lake Geneva, one of the largest lakes in Western Europe, is famed for its vineyard-covered shores and the majestic Jet d'eau fountain in Geneva. As the day progresses, the lakes transform, presenting an ever-changing panorama of breathtaking beauty. At sunrise, the gentle rays of the sun paint the waters with hues of gold and pink. As the day wanes, the setting sun casts a warm golden glow over the lake, creating a spectacle that is nothing short of magical. But these lakes are not just for admiring from afar. They offer a host of activities for tourists and locals alike. From leisurely boat rides and fishing excursions to thrilling water sports, there's something for everyone. And for those who prefer to stay on dry land, the lakeside trails provide an opportunity for a peaceful walk or a brisk hike, offering stunning views of the water and the surrounding landscape. If you listen closely, you can hear the stories of those who have experienced the lake's charm. Like the local fisherman who speaks fondly of his daily sunrise ritual on the quiet waters of Lake Zurich, or the tourist who recalls her exhilarating parasailing experience over Lake Thun. As we leave the lakes, we carry with us not just the memories of their serene beauty, but also the sense of peace and tranquility they inspire. The Swiss lakes, with their enchanting vistas and calming presence, truly offer a retreat like no other. The lakes of Switzerland offer a serene retreat like no other. Leaving the serenity of the lakes behind, immerse yourself in the bustling energy of Swiss cities. These urban landscapes, each with their unique charm, are a delightful paradox of the old and the new, the traditional and the contemporary. Take Geneva, for example. Nestled between the Alps and Jura mountains, it's a city that thrives on its cosmopolitan spirit. The city's heart beats in its old town, where narrow, winding streets open up to reveal centuries-old landmarks. The imposing St. Pierre Cathedral, for instance, is a testament to the city's rich history, its ancient stone whispering tales of the past. Then there's Zurich, the largest city in Switzerland. A global center for banking and finance, it's a city that never sleeps. But Zurich is not all business. The city's historic center, with its well-preserved medieval houses and the iconic Grossmünster Church, is a walk back in time. Yet, a stone's throw away, you'll find vibrant nightlife and cutting-edge contemporary art scenes. Let's not forget Bern, the capital city. It's like stepping into a storybook with its medieval architecture preserved in the UNESCO World Heritage Old Town. The city's symbol, the Zitglogge, an ancient clock tower, stands as a proud reminder of Bern's storied past. Yet in the midst of this history, Bern surprises with its thriving modern culture, vibrant markets, and a food scene that's a gastronomic delight. Swiss cities are not just about historic sites and architecture. They are also a melting pot of cultures where you can taste the world in a single city. From traditional Swiss fondue to exotic cuisines from far corners of the globe, the culinary landscape is as diverse as it is delicious. Interacting with locals and tourists, you'll hear stories that add a personal touch to these cities, tales of love and life, of dreams and aspirations, of traditions and innovations. It's these stories that breathe life into the brick and mortar, transforming these cities into living, breathing entities. Swiss cities are a blend of rich history and modern charm. They invite you to lose yourself in their narrow streets, discover their stories, taste their flavors, and become a part of their vibrant city life. Dive deeper into the Swiss experience by exploring its unique culture and cuisine. This journey begins with the Swiss culture, a harmonious blend of German, French, and Italian influences, reflecting the country's geographical context. The Swiss are known for their punctuality, cleanliness, and respect for privacy, but their love for festivals, music, and art is equally compelling. Now, on to the culinary delights. Switzerland is a haven for food lovers. Cheese and chocolate, two of the country's most famous exports, play a starring role in Swiss cuisine. Fondue, a dish of melted cheese served in a communal pot, is a Swiss winter staple. Then there's raclette, another cheese delight, melted and scraped onto boiled potatoes accompanied by pickles and onions. But Swiss cuisine isn't just about cheese. There are regional specialties like Rösti, a crispy potato pancake from German-speaking Switzerland, and the hearty stews of the Italian-speaking Ticino region. And let's not forget the world-famous Swiss chocolates, from creamy milk chocolates to the finest dark chocolates. They are a treat to the senses. Swiss cuisine also reflects a strong commitment to sustainability. You'll find many restaurants serving dishes made with locally sourced ingredients, a testament to the Swiss love for nature and fresh produce. In the heart of Switzerland, you'll encounter locals who are passionate about their culinary traditions. There's the master chocolatier, diligently crafting exquisite chocolates, or the proud cheesemaker, who produces world-class cheese from the milk of his own cows. Their stories add a special flavor to the Swiss culinary experience. Tourists visiting Switzerland often find the food as memorable as the country's scenic beauty. Trying local dishes, learning about their origins, and experiencing the hospitality of the Swiss people become cherished memories of their visit. The Swiss culture and cuisine are as diverse and captivating as its landscapes. So, the next time you find yourself in the land of the Alps, make sure to take a bite of the Swiss life. You'll find it as enriching as the country's breathtaking vistas. You may wonder, why Switzerland? Well, the answer lies in the tapestry of experiences this country offers. Every corner of Switzerland narrates a unique story. The majestic Alpine mountains stand as a testament to nature's grandeur, offering breathtaking vistas and thrilling trekking routes. The serene lakes with their picturesque settings captivate the heart and soothe the soul. And then, there's the vibrant city life. Cities like Geneva, Zurich, and Bern are pulsating with energy, showcasing a blend of the old and the new. They are home to iconic landmarks and historical sites that echo tales of the past. The Swiss culture is a rich amalgam of traditions and modernity, and the cuisine is a gastronomic delight, offering flavors that linger long after the journey ends. Switzerland, with its stunning landscapes and rich culture, promises an unforgettable journey. So why not make it your next travel destination? We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Switzerland. What a journey it's been! From the majestic peaks of the Alpine mountains, to the serene beauty of the Swiss lakes, the vibrant city life, and the rich culture and cuisine. This country truly has something for every kind of traveler, but our exploration doesn't stop here. There's so much more to see and experience in this beautiful world of ours, and we can't wait to share it all with you. So, if you love travel and adventure as much as we do, don't miss out on our upcoming journeys. Next time, we'll be taking you to a destination that's just as breathtaking and full of surprises. Can you guess where? Here's a hint. It's known for its stunning beaches, vibrant festivals, and delicious seafood. Join us on our next adventure by subscribing to our channel and smashing that like button. Until then, keep exploring,